confident that your efforts and dedication will not only contribute to the success of Nestle Pakistan, but will also have a profound impact on Pakistan economic growth and the government's vision for boosting exports. In these challenging times, the importance of exports cannot be overstated. I am pleased to see that Nestle Pakistan has already successfully increased exports to 26 countries. Given the scale of Nestle worldwide operations, I anticipate that the goals you have set will directly contribute to our efforts to shore up foreign reserves, playing a key role in the government's plans to put Pakistan back on track for economic recovery. Nestle's success is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of our private sector, which forms the backbone of economic prosperity. Your accomplishments underscore the critical role that business play in driving our nation's economic engine growth. I encourage you to continue your commitment to quality and excellence, as it not only benefits our company but also contributes significantly to the overall well-being of our nation.